What's up everyone, my name's Morgan. I'm here with my boyfriend Jake and we are going on such a big adventure today. We are leaving our house in Treasure Key and running round trip about 100 miles in our 20-foot panga. We are going to be doing some fishing, some diving, some island exploring. So much action packed into one video, you don't want to miss it. Okay, we have ran about 35-40 miles north of Treasure Key and we are here at Allen's, Pensacola, and we are about to go on one of their many beaches. But look how many, we're already seeing so many turtles. There's another turtle, there's another turtle. Wow. Okay, I just threw the anchor and now I'm going to explore the island. Wow, this is such a pretty beach. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm sure that this island is frequented by sailboaters because look at all of the arts and crafts, all of the buoys and nets that people have put up on the trees. Look, there's even some leftover tongs for cooking. This looks like a little fort. This would definitely be a great island to camp on. Look at the swing. All of the buoys everywhere. It even looks like there's a nice little bench and even a table. A swing, and this swing has one of the most beautiful views. This was a great first stop on our adventure. Okay, we've now entered the north end of Allen's, Pensacola, and it is basically this giant flat, also in sailboat anchorage. You can see a couple sailboats. There's also a shark right here, but there's a couple beaches along the beach we're gonna go explore, maybe see if we can catch a fish. Oh, the shark's coming close. But I can tell why this is a popular anchorage for sailboats because look how stinking calm it is. Goodness, what is that shell? Wow! Is this a horse conch?
Yeah, I think so.
This horse conch was such a cool find, but I don't really eat these guys, so we're gonna let him go. Now we are working our way up to the beach, 1 to fish and 2 to explore.
Cast again. Put it right on his head. Wait, it's good. Oh. Cast again.
I pulled it out as well.
Yeah. Okay, there's some muttons. Morgan caught a stone crab.
Look how big this stone crab is. Oh my goodness, this is a giant stone crab. I don't think I'm gonna harvest the claws just because I don't know how to do it properly without killing the guy, but he is large. Look at him. Okay, and I definitely think this island is frequented by sailboaters because look at all the random things they have everywhere. Look, it says welcome. Oh my gosh, and that sign says Walmart parking. Okay, and look over here. Oh my gosh, this must be a trail. Wait, look. Messages. Washed up mail. It's inside. This looks like business cards in here. Wait, that's so funny. Well, obviously we have to go through the trail. We're going in the trail. Okay. Nice planks, I'm assuming in case it gets high tide. Whoa. For the water. Marco! Okay, I don't really see much, but I do see the trail. Oh gosh. Hopefully I don't get poison wood. Oh wow. This is lots of shoes. Interesting. Holy cow. Oh my gosh. The shoes keep going. Okay, I'm super happy that we have a TV to watch. Okay, we've came to a part where we're kind of exiting the forest and lots of sea grape trees. I'm hearing like some ocean, some waves breaking, so I think that the trail might have been taking us to the other side of the island. Oh my goodness, we are nearing the end. Look at this. Oh my gosh, it is a giant fort. There's so many names. Wow, this is honestly so pretty. Look at that beach. Oh my gosh. This is honestly pretty impressive. This is so cool. And look how gorgeous that water is. Wow. We learned from Google that this is actually the naming tree, which makes sense because there are so many names from so many different people in so many places. Jake is going to inscribe us on here forever. There we are, Jake and Morgan. Yay, how fun. This was so fun. This was definitely worth the like 10-minute walk in the woods to come. Wow.
Tailing up here. See if I can get him.
Okay, we just came back from that trail and immediately Jake hooked up to a bonefish. Wow, that is a nice one. Wow, that's a beautiful bonefish. He's large. Okay, there goes the fish. Bye, bonefish. Wow, this is so pretty. This is a nice sandbar. There's a baby hogfish
and Morgan's tight.
Look at this giant school of jacks. Oh, that just came off.
Get it in, get it back in. There's so many more up in front of us too.
Wow.
Trip fast. They didn't see it. They're to the right now. Go hard right. Nope. Oh, he's on. Just...
I just got a jack. He's mad. Oh, he just came off.
Get another one. Get another one. Get that. Oh, nice job.
Look at the mutton. Look at the turtle.
I got it.
Look how pretty he is. Okay, Jake just got that really nice bonefish. Now we are going to move beaches to see if we have any luck at a different spot. Okay, we kind of changed plans, made a little bit of an audible. Instead of diving today because the water looked a little green, we decided to head offshore and we are going to be trolling for wahoo, tuna, mahi. We are sending a bunch of these Nomad plugs out and hopefully a fish bites them. Okay, wish us luck. Ah! We're doubled up! Whoa! Don't you really come up?
Yeah. You're gonna just crank on the middle rod now. Yeah, that's what came off.
Okay, we were doubled up, but then one came off, but I think I still have one of the fish on.
Nice teeth marks. Lost them. Very close.
Okay, he's at the boat.
Okay, go under this rod. Okay. Okay, let's pull the leader to me. Knocked the thing out.
What did you say?
I almost knocked the lure out.
Woo! Nice fish. Okay, we have nowhere in the boat to put him though. Woo! Fish in the boat. Wow, we were trolling for about an hour, I'd say, but we hooked up to that double, but finally brought one into the boat. That was awesome. Woo!
Nice wahoo.
That's awesome, our first wahoo in the boat for the day. So far the boat has had a cast and blast day with Jake's bonefish and now our wahoo. Okay, the fish is inside of the little fish bag. We're gonna turn back around to where we got that double up and hopefully we can get another one. We're hooked up again! Okay, we are clearing the line so that the fish don't get tangled.
skipping him.
Oh no, he's mad.
Oh, he's getting eaten, I think.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, it's a second one.
No way. It's a second one? No, that's a cuda. Okay.
Are you sure that was a cuda?
Yeah, I saw it. Wow. Look at all those teeth marks. Good job.
Good job.
Okay. Second wahoo in the boat.
Nice one.
Look it.
Oh my
He
god.
got cooted at the very end. Oh my goodness. Well, we don't have to bleed him out.
Yeah. Okay, take him to the bag.
Woo!
Nice.
How exciting. Great job, Jake.
And he got cuda.
There has been some epic action. We are gonna try for even a third wahoo. We're gonna drop the lines back and see if third time's a charm, and we can load up the bag and load up our freezer. Okay, after our second wahoo, we trolled around for about another 30 minutes, but no luck. However, we have two very nice fish in the bag, so we are gonna head back to the house and fillet some fish. Thank you guys so much for joining. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.